Hello, landlubbers and cocktail fans. I am Bill the Drunken Sailor, and you found the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. This is the place where we make fun cocktails and we show you how to do it. Now, today's cocktail is a riff on a margarita, but it's nothing but pure fun. If you've got one last summertime pool party in you, this may be the one you want to serve. If the kids are playing sharks and minnows in the pool, maybe this is what you serve the grown-ups while you're watching them. So join me as we make today's cocktail, the Shark Attack Margarita. Let's get pouring. This cocktail is being made as a frozen margarita, and it's going to go in a blender. We're going to start with a half a cup of ice. Now that we've got that iced up, we're going to start putting ingredients in there. Our first ingredient in there is freshly squeezed lime juice. We're using fresh because you know fresh is best. 1 ounce. Our next ingredient going in there is agave nectar. We're going to use 1 ounce. That's going to help sweeten it up, make it nice and tasty. Because we want this to look like the ocean, we're going to put some blue in there, so we're using our Blue Curacao. Once again, you've seen this before. This is the Blue Curacao we made. 1 ounce. Our final ingredient in there is, of course, tequila. Now, if you stick around to the end of the video, you'll see a recipe card that has all the ingredients in there. We're going to use 2 ounces of tequila. And this is a Blanco Tequila. Let's put the top on this and give it a blend. We've got that all mixed up, so now it's time to put it in the glass. We're going to take our margarita glass and give this a pour. We got the blue ocean. Now where does the Shark Attack come in? What we've done is we've chopped up some nice red maraschino cherries. We're going to put a little bit of red in the water. And to finish it off, we've taken a gummy shark and we're putting them in there. And there you have today's cocktail, the Shark Attack Margarita.